Welcome to Interiors Simplified. In this video, we will discuss how we created a design to remodel a kitchen which was pretty dated and not in a good shape. Before we move ahead, I request you to please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will encourage us to create more videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. This is the kitchen in the existing form. As you can see, the tiles looked quite primitive. The texture and color of the tiles made the kitchen look smaller. There are two windows on opposite walls. The shutters also had a wooden texture with some carving done on it. We proposed that the window towards the left on the kitchen be covered. It will give the space to keep the appliance unit in the pantry on that wall. It will also create a lot of walking space as it will free the wall adjacent to the entrance. As one can see in the images, the owner needs a lot of storage space. But in order to make it look neat, we thought of removing cabinets from the wall opposite to the cooking area and give an island instead. To give it a fresh and modern look, we decided to go for a shade of matte green. Towards the side, where the hob is placed, the existing kitchen had doors as shutters. Instead of that arrangement, we created more space by providing drawers with Initech soft close channels. Right below the hob, we have given 6 drawers where everything from cutlery, plates and cups can be stored. 2 drawers on the top can be used to store cutlery and knives. The rest below these 2 baskets can be used to store plate, cup and saucer and other bigger utensils. On both the sides of these drawers, bottle pull-out are given that can be used to store small and big bottles such as oil, ketchup, etc. Next to the bottle pull-outs, 4 more drawers are given which will have multi-purpose baskets in them. To utilize the corners in a better manner, we propose to use magic corner and S carousel. Right next to the corner, we placed a pantry unit with 12 baskets in it. Along with it is an appliance unit for a microwave and oven. The upper storages towards hob has a cabinet with glass shutters to keep some crockery. Open shelves have been given to keep the items that are frequently used. Another row of storage till the ceiling is given to store the things that are essential but not needed on regular basis. The window overlooking the utility area outside is covered with a blind to regulate the light inside the kitchen. Black stone sink and faucet adds contrast to the white nano stone countertop and marble textured tiles on the backsplash. To give additional storage, an extra counter which can be used for preparation as well as small meals and chit-chat, we have given an island which has cabinets with swing open doors. These cabinets have a lot of storage for various crockery and utensils. Since the island is L-shaped, some open shelves have been given for quick access and storage. Wooden bar stools with light colored fabric adds a sense of warmth and color to the room. To add glamour, black metallic pendant lights are added which also adds some contrast. We have used light colored wooden texture tiles to give a sense of openness to the kitchen. It also matches well with the color scheme of the entire room and also with the countertop and the backsplash. Hope you like the concept. Please like the video and share it with your folks who are planning to redesign their kitchens. We will see you with another design video soon.